Learn about the noise in Samsung electric oven. This video explains two common operating sounds that you may hear from your Samsung oven: the circuit relay clicking sound and the fan cooling sound. First, circuit relay clicking sound. When the oven heats, you may hear a clicking sound. This is the sound of the circuit relay operating. What is a circuit relay? A circuit relay is an electrical switch that turns the oven heater on and off to maintain the temperature. This sound is a normal part of oven operation. You'll notice it less once the temperature is stable. Second, fan cooling sound. After cooking, you may hear the oven's fan continue to run for a while. This is the cooling fan at work, releasing heat from inside the oven and protecting the internal components from excess temperature. The fan is designed to protect the oven and keep it safe even after it has been turned off. This sound is completely normal, and the fan will typically run for about 5 minutes after cooking before stopping automatically once the oven cools down. Both the relay clicking and fan cooling sounds are normal during oven operation. But if either noise continues after the oven has cooled or seems excessive, please contact the Samsung Service Center for assistance.